Guys, today we are going to rate the sounds of Mario. But before we rate the sounds of Mario, please like and subscribe. Done guys? Thanks guys. Now let us rate the sounds of Mario. One jump. That is really not good. 4 out of 10. The double jump. I liked it. That was a 6 out of 10. Now the double jump. I really liked it. 9 out of 10. And now the ouch. That is a really good sound. 7 out of 10. And now the end. Wow. That was really good. Wow. Oh, that was really good. Now the backflip. Oh, that was a really good sound. That was a 6 out of 10. And this one, the long jump. I really like it. It is so good. Out. 10 out of 10. And now the ground pound. That was a good 8 out of 10. Oh my god, you gave me health or what? Now, let us see the musics of my. Where's the Koopa? Oh, there are no Koopas. Bye guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe for part 2. I really like the music of stage 1. Bye guys. Oh, 10 out of